Welcome from Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development. Friends, as you know, this is one of the institute from northeastern region under which is the autonomous institute under Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. The mission of the Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development IBSD is the bioresource development and their sustainable use through biotechnological intervention for the socio-economic growth of the region. And it has its own vision for scientific management of the bioresources in the Indian region falling under Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. As you know, northeast region of India is a genetic treasure house of plants, animals, microbial resources and many more. The region is one of the mega biodiversity rich zone of the world and definitely forms a distinctive part of the Indo-Burma hotspot. The region also falls on the biogeographic tri-junction and a center of gene diversity of many domestic crops and secondary center for several economically important plants, animal species, and so on. Being one of the most important hotspots in the world, the region is an active center for evolution of many new and novel gene pool. Further, the temperate and alpine bioresources of the regions are still unknown to science. I am very proud to let you know that this Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development was established in 2001 by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, with several objectives, and those objectives are being fulfilled by our institutes with eminent staffs, and people have been working to set up state-of-the-art biotechnology research facilities in Imphal, which is at the center of Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot and sustainable development of bioresources, including modern biotechnology tools. With the objectives, we study with the unique biodiversity of the biogeographic region, develop biotechnical intervention, we undertake capacity building, human resource development for bioresource conservation and management, to generate technological packages for employment generations and economic progress of this region. This goal can be realized through developing partnership with local communities, with different national, international institutions and universities, and we have been working on this particular context on collaborating with different institutes altogether. DBT IBSD has its headquarters in Imphal in Manipur with centers in Gangtok in Sikkim, Aizawl in Mizoram, and Shillong in Meghalaya. And its main activities we have organized into different research verticals, including the plant resources, phytopharmaceutical mission, which is one of its important aspects which we have been taken up for use of the medicinal plants and other resources of this region, so as to establish the traditional medicinal claim with their evidence-based validation and evaluation of those traditional medicines based on botany ethnopharmacological aspects for drug discovery from the northeastern region. This also includes the microbial diversity, fermented foods, value addition, animal resource, eco-restorations, biofuels, and bioenergy. Since establishment, IBSD has made several significant progress in different programs, and recently we have taken several other initiatives as well with the phytopharmaceutical, microbial resource, animal resource, bioenergy program, plant resources, and to come up with the conservations and preservations of the specific resources of this northeast region through the mission and vision of IBSD. We have initiated different outreach activities in the northeastern regions, including the establishment of this IBSD center in all these Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Sikkim center, the promote the orchid-based entrepreneurship on the ecotourism, rural bioresource complex, to promote the ecotourism and IBSD specifically in Shillong, Meghalaya, in associations with the state government, which is attempted by people from different parts of the country. Over the last 4 months, as all of us are running through this pandemic situation throughout the world, DBT IBSD have involved in several COVID-19 related outreach activities, which you have come across through different newspapers and all. Since lockdown one, when it started, the DBT IBSD has been interacting actively and supporting several COVID-19 testing facilities of this northeastern region, where we are regularly preparing and distributing masks, sanitizers for all frontline workers on a weekly basis in all centers, Imphal, Gangtok, Aizawl, and Shillong. And also IBSD has shared uh, RT-PCR machines, cold centrifuge, deep refrigerators, and many other instrumentations facilities in Tura Civil Hospital, Government of Meghalaya, for setting up the new COVID-19 testing facility. This has recently been approved by ICMR for COVID-19 testing as well. That IBSD has shared an RT-PCR machines with Jennings Hospital in Imphal, and RT-PCR machines and RNA extraction machines at RIMS and in Imphal. And those centers approved by CMR has been working well. Our manpower, the researchers, the students, they have been working jointly with Jennings and RIMS to support in these COVID testing facilities, which has been initiated by government of Imphal. DBT-IBSD has sent its trained scientists for helping out at the COVID-19 facilities in both the hospital. These are the only COVID-19 facilities still available in Manipur. But this DBT-IBSD has started that RT-PCR machines in Joram Medical College in Aizawl, which was airlifted by government of Mizoram from Imphal on 5th June. This has been double the testing capacity of Mizoram. So IBSD has helped in Mizoram as well for improving the testing capacity of the whole state. DBT IBSD has shared consumables with the hospitals of government in Sikkim, in the SNTM hospital, and these loan testing COVID center facilities in Sikkim. IBSD has also been facilitating the providing technical support right from designing the establishment of BSL2 facilities, procuring equipment, and so on for the Pasteur Institute in Shillong, Government of Meghalaya. And IBSD, as the Northeastern Region Cluster uh, for COVID-19 testing facilities, it has completed in consultations with over 30 DVT supported laboratories in all 8 Northeastern regional states, which will serve as spokes for IBSD as a hub. And we have been working for development of several facilities in setting up IBSD's own COVID testing facility, like say presently the setting up of this DBT IBSD hub for COVID-19 testings. We have established in IBSD and Jennings COVID testing laboratory, which is an additional setup made by IBSD with the Jennings hospitals in Imphal, approved by the Secretary Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. This is now got the ICMR approval also for improving the testing facilities. Friends, in parallel, DBT IBSD is one of the on the verge of completions of the development of this BSL2 facilities and everything, which is the additional COVID-19 testing facility at Pasteur Institute, Shillong, and this will be a IBSD Pasteur Institute joint collaborating effort to set up a special center in Meghalaya with IBSD and Pasteur Institute testing facilities for COVID-19 at Shillong, which will have a target for when the full functional, and we have been trying to complete that one as early as possible. As you know that beside that that IBSD is a validation center for evaluation of novel applications for COVID-19 effective plant extracts, herbal formulations, hand sanitizer, and has approached several. We have been working with several companies as well on that, and we are screening the medicinal plants being used, which may be effective under COVID-19, jointly with Regional Center for Biotechnology, and we thought that to promote the natural resources of this northeastern region, we must have some specific idea for developing the medicinal plant resources of these regions, where we are documenting that what are the medicinal plants having that antiviral potential in this particular region. And in that context, we have made several progress, and will be coming up recently with a monograph highlighting the potential of these northeastern regions based on the references which based on the work earlier, and so that northeastern region have a very potential food habits and the medicinal plants, traditional medicines, which can be promoted to a high extent throughout the world. On this context, we have been organizing a weekly webinar series since the lockdown started with Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development, jointly with Society for Ethnopharmacology India and International Society for Ethnopharmacology India, to promote the natural resources and to think on the reimagine of ethnopharmacology, which is now one of the major contexts. Even in the Ministry of Ayush has taken a lot of initiative in this particular context to promote the natural resources of different parts of India. Particularly, we are highlighting on these the medicinal plants from the northeastern region. Friends, in this context, what I feel that there has been a tremendous scientific boost from different people, different ways, that there are several potentials in the medicinal plants where IBSD is taking lot of initiatives, and we are highlighting those through this webinar series, which is being organized for every Saturday at 6 to 8 p.m. to cope up with the time zone of maximum part of the world, and which has got very good reputations all over the world in promotion of medicinal plant and natural resources of our country, and as well as in the northeastern region. As we have been working with different verticals, different aspects for developing and promoting the natural resources of northeast region, with the recommendations of respected Madam Dr. Renu Sarup, Secretary, Department of Biotechnology. We contacted with all the 8 state council for collaborating research in this particular area for bioresource development, developing the bioeconomy of the country. And the as after that, we had a meeting with the of those state council with Dr. Aslam, advisor and scientist G at the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. And I'm happy to say that all these 8 state council has agreed to work jointly with Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development to develop the potential bioresources of these northeastern regions, concentrating on the individual states aspects and developing the natural resources, whether it is food, whether it is medicinal plant, whether it is the other plant resources, orchids, rhododendron, and many other contexts, to have a joint collaborations with IBSD and developing the drugs, food for promotion, for their evaluation and validation in every way. IBSD has been working in collaborations with different universities and institutes, and we have been trying our best to collaborate with different centers from India and abroad to promote the natural resources of our country and exploring the natural resources for developing bioeconomy of the northeastern region, specifically for promoting the country to a high extent, specifically the northeastern region, where we have lot of natural resources which we need to evaluate, validate, and add value to those for the promotion and development of these natural resources, which can be very much beneficial for the people of this region at large. I would like to thank specifically my all colleagues at IBSD, the scientists from Imphal, from Shillong, from Mizoram, from Sikkim, for their support for all these works, and I am sure that with all their support we will be able, and support from the Department of Biotechnology, particularly Secretary Dr. Madam Renu Sarup, will be able to make the IBSD as a potential resource center in this specific area for development of drugs, pharmaceuticals, food, and potential natural resources for the future. Thank you very much for your attention.